All right, we're gonna go take the Rivian a little more off-roading today. We have an adventure plan, and we will zoom out a bit. Oh yeah, look. So we're going to be going right here, and there's some off-road. There's actually like a radio station right there, well, at least the broadcast station. So we're going to go tool around this area. Desert doesn't necessarily mean that you don't have a mountain range, and even though we're at 3,000 feet roughly right now, we have some cool hills and stuff around us. That's where we're heading. Should be there in about 6 minutes. Interesting.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
All right, we've done that. Let's do all terrain. That seems like that makes sense. Go off road. Back to the map. Eventually gonna get that vibration fixed when I take it in. Next serviced appointment. All right, that's that radio station in Apple Valley. We are legitimately off-roading here. I'm gonna pause for a second and yeah, okay, we're at the highest setting. I was just curious, so it put us in an all-terrain mode. See the off-road suspension, shiny silver. We are near the antenna. You can see there's some pretty good sized rocks. We just went up some other ones earlier, but here, and it's nice to have the camera within the car because as you're going up angles, not so much down, but up angles, it's a little trickier to see the terrain. Yeah, it's in this situation where you can't see, so this helps. Damn. Look at the view there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
catch it that way. Okay. Recenter. That's pretty steep there. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty good angle.
I don't know if it shows on the video.
Yeah, it's hard to see angles on the video. It's true. Wow, yeah, look at that.
There's a big rock.
Yeah, that's gonna be interesting.
Oh, I hope we have clearance.
This does it any justice, but there's a good sized rock right in the middle of this road. Underneath there, so we'll check this out. Come around. Yeah, there you can see. So we're gonna be coming up. Some good four-wheel driving right there. I mean, that's legit, more so than even Big Bear that we did.
Right.
Okay.
Where's sound?
Damn. Definitely the steepest hill that we've been on. Actually, let's do this. Where is it at? Where's that thing? Oh, here it is. Yeah, the pitch. But I'll eventually have to go to the camera to see where the heck I'm going. Is it 15, 20? Yeah, about a 20 degree hill. It's really easily going through.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I can't see again. All right, it's this way. Whoa. Is that what's up? Is what's down?
I can't even see it.
Yeah, I gotta look. Okay, we just came up, that's like a 20 degree. I got up to 25 at one point, I think. So here we are at this cross. Some birds. So far it's handling really well. It's so smooth, and I tell you, the note, how quiet it is really cool. And then you can see the place we're going, but this is just like, I'm walking, this is going down about the same 20 degree, maybe in some areas 25. So we have a choice of either turning around or going down. Oh, that's not terrible. Kind of goes around there and then weaves down and goes up that way and then heads back down. And right over there, there's an exit. This is, I guess, BLM land. It goes up into different areas. So yeah, pretty cool. definitely the sketchiest that we've ever done. Okay, but it looks like it's nicely in control.
It's nice of the camera to
Yeah, it's so much easier.
stay because we can't always see.
It's very smooth. You can feel it's resisting, so it knows the here. Like, oops, hang on, let me go back to this. You can see. Well, we've come down a bit, but it was probably at 20. Oops, back to the cameras.
Well, there'll be an interesting uphill over there.
Yeah, I'm trying to not get road rash.
Supposed to go this way.
I know. Yeah. Oh, wow. I think I'm gonna have to go. How am I
Okay.
doing? Am I doing okay?
Use the camera. Rock on the left.
Rock on the left.
Right there.
Yeah, I know. There's a bunch of rocks everywhere.
No, but that was a big one.
Yeah, that's a
That'll
big one.
scrape your door.
That was gnarly. Definitely. Oh, dang. There's some good sized rocks coming up. Under those. Jeez. Man.
Oh, you see this guy?
It's crawling up
Oh,
though.
it is.
Okay, what the?
And then what?
We gotta make a right.
You can't even see. Thank goodness with this camera.
Wow.
That's better. Nice rocks.
Funny, it's just 18%, but it feels steeper to me. Like, I don't know, this feels steep. The way we're pitched right now, and you'll see there's a lot of loose rocks. It's handling it really well. And here, some bigger rocks. Yeah. And they're kind of auto brakes. That is impressive what it can do. Just about to come to the end of the adventure here.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was pretty intense. And it was not nearly as busy as Big Bear. Big Bear's super busy.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, it did great. We just went through pretty intense off-roading, at least for us. Worked like a champ. gnarly rocks right here.
Can you imagine if that was your way, your way home? Take that every day.
God, we're definitely crawling the next. At least we can see civilization.
To run down the hill.
I know, we need help. Yeah, that's really just crazy rocks. Another rock that's annoying. It's one of the closer homes. So that's where we came from. It looks like it's just right there, but there's definitely a lot of twisties and boulders and rocks. Birds. It's the end of the day. This is the after effects. I haven't washed the vehicle yet, but you can see it handled it well. I'm gonna wash it very soon. Try to. See what we got going on there. Like bugs. It's just from when I washed it last time. This is a cool design, you know, as far as airflow, but I could see eventually, like if you really were going faster. See what we got going on this way. Yeah, pretty cool. Actually, that air vent is neat because it goes through there. Actually see it pass through. And then it goes this way and then through and on that way. And a few times I had some, couple of, I think it's just a bug. Gotta wash that. Branches kind of went across that part. I do have some PPF I put on these, but it didn't really, I think, line up nicely. So, I'm gonna eventually go back to bed. I'm gonna eventually probably remove that. I really don't think that's necessary. What else we got here? And the back wheel. You can see that's the most mud I've had on the vehicle. I bought these extra. I really like those little caps. Barely anything, really. Go underneath, maybe. You can see under there. So yeah, it handled it well. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, so there you have it. Have a great week, everybody. See you.